Hello everyone, good morning. So today we will start our new chapter, that is chapter 20, Exponents and Powers. And to be honest, this chapter is very easy if you're just comparing with algebraic expressions and identities. Just 2 or 3 things that you need to understand, and there is no such fancy concepts which you have to retain in your mind while solving, right? So let's just quickly disclose all such things. So without wasting any further time, let's start. So now let's just quickly understand by disclosing these two terms, that is exponents and powers. So people get confused regarding what exactly exponents and power mean, or you can say both are the same thing or not, but because of which students are getting much more confusion regarding these 2 points. All right, so if I just give you one example, let's say this. So in a very clear manner we will go through it, and on the basis of that we can keep moving forward. So now in this portion, what is this called? This is called as base. And what is this called? This is called as exponent, right? This is called as exponent. So now your question may be that no, 3 is power, this is not exponent, this is power. Yes, in this point maximum of the students are having the problem that whether this 3 is exponent or it is a power. All right, so now if to be honest 3 is not power, this is exponent. So what is power? That is also the question. Then what exactly power mean? Here the power actually resonates what? This language of speaking this expression, that is 2 to the power 3. This power is nothing but for actually revealing the like language part, you can say language part, that is 2 to the power 3, and that's it. But if I ask you that what exactly 3 means, that is called as exponent. But generally we use this 3 as power also, because it is coming in our habit that we often use 3 as power. All right, but generally to be honest 3 is not power, 3 is the exponent. And how to deal with it, that whether it is an exponent or not, the number of times the base is being multiplied is called the exponent. The number of times the base is being multiplied is called the exponent, not the power. Yes, power is what? That is the language of deriving this particular expression, that is 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3. And what is 3? 3 is exponent. I hope you got it, right? So that's about it, and now there is no such problem regarding this chapter. So now 2 or 3 concepts which are being needed, let me just disclose all such that. So let's say if I have 2 by 3 whole to the power 2, whole to the power 2. So I can write 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2. I can write like that way. All right, so if I have 2 into 3 whole square, so I can write 2 square into 3 square, like that way. I hope you got it. These are the 2 minor things that we need to understand. And one more thing, let's say 2 to the power minus 2 is there. So to make that exponent positive, what we need to do, just reciprocate it, that is 2 to the power 2, and it is now positive. It is now what? It is positive, right? 2 to the power minus 2 can be written as 1 by 2 to the power 2, just the reciprocal. That's it, that's up to it. And now you are ready to solve the questions. So let's just solve by doing exercise 20A. So now before solving exercise 20A, these are the law of exponents which are being required while solving it. That is very easy. Let's just understand that. Now the concept is that in the previous chapter we have only whole numbers, or you can say integers are there, right? But there we have fractions. There we can have fractions as well as rational numbers as well. So now the concept is same. So if I just give you one example, let's say 2 by 3 to the power 3 into 2 by 3 to the power 4. So now in the previous chapter what I just told you, that if the base is same then the power will add it up. Like that way we have to do. So the answer is 2 by 3 to the power 3 plus 4, which is 2 by 3 to the power 7. That is the answer. Simple. Like that way, following this, if division sign is there, let's say 2 by 3 divided, let's say 4 is there, and 2 by 3 let's say 3 is there. So in division, while doing division, we have to do the minus. Simple. To the power 1. After that, if power of power is there, or you can say exponent of exponent is there, then these two exponents are getting multiplied with each other. So that means 2 by 3 square to the power 3 is there. So the exponent will be multiplied with each other, and it will become 2 by 3 raised to the power 6. After that, let's say 2 by 3 to the power 0 is there. The answer is 1. So the proof of this is already given in the video section, so you can check it out, right? That is the extra like proof that I have discussed with all of you, and it is public as well. You can watch at any time as you want. So now in the next part, that is multiplication of the fraction in between with the power, and then we can separate these two terms. Let's say 2 by 3 into 5 by 7 raised to the power 3 is there, so we can write 2 by 3 whole to the power 3 into 5 by 7 whole to the power 3. We can write like that. And moving on, the last part, just now I have revealed that part, that is if 2 by 3 to the power minus 2 is there, so I can write the reciprocal of this. So there is a reciprocal of this is 3 by 2, and it will become positive. That's it. That's about it. Simple and easy way to do it. I hope that the law of exponent is clear to all of you. If you have any sort of doubt, you can tell me in WhatsApp, as well as you can put one comment in the description, in the videos last part as well. You can raise your questions, no problem. I can read that part also, and I will clear that thing also. Alright, so now let's just more quickly do the next part, that is doing exercise 20A. Let's just do that. So let's just start our journey by looking at question number 1. Evaluate the following. First question is 5 raised to the power minus 2. So I know that how to solve this one. Just do the reciprocal of this. So if 1 by 5, that is a reciprocal of 5, and the power will automatically positive. So 1 square by 5 square according to the law of exponent. So 1 square is 1 and 5 square is 25. That's how simple it is. Moving on to our next question, that is 1 by 3 minus 3. So I have to do the reciprocal of 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 reciprocal is 3 to the power 3, which is 27. Moving on to our next question, that is 6 minus 5 by 4. The reciprocal of minus 5 by 4 is how much? That is minus 4 by 5 to the power 3. According to law of exponent, 4 by 3 means minus 4 to the power 3 by 5 to the power 3. Minus 4 to the power 3 is minus 4 into minus 4. I can write like that. Minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, and 5 into 5 into 5. So minus 4 into minus 4 is 16, and 16 into minus 4 is minus 64, and 5 to the power 3 is 125. That's how simple it is. I hope you got it, how to solve question number 1. Let's just move around to solve the next question, which is question number 2. Alright, moving on to our next question, that is question number 2. Evaluate the following. Same process, there is no such problem. So now evaluate the following is what? Here minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 2 is there. I have mistakenly written the wrong question. That is, it is minus 1 by 3. Okay, so minus 1 by 3 raised to the power 2 into minus 1 by 3 to the power 3. So if the base is same, that is minus 1 by 3, so the power will add it up. So it will be 2 plus 3, and finally I will get the value, which is 5. So according to law of exponent, 1 to the power 5 is there, and 3 to the power 5 is there. Okay, so 1 to the power 5 is minus 1 to the power 5. If odd number is there in the power, or you can say in the exponent, then it will be minus. And 3 to the power 5 is how much? 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27, 27 3 into 3 is 81, 81 into 3 is how much? That is 243. So 243 is the required answer. So minus 1 by 243 is the required answer. Moving on to solve the next one. Base is same, power will add up. So now how to do this? So minus 3 minus 2, simple. 1 by 5 to the power minus 3 minus 2 is how much? Minus 1 to the power 5. So now to make this positive, what to do? Reciprocal of 1 by 5. Reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5. So it will be positive. So now 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 5 is 125. 125 into 5 is 625. 625 into 5 is how much? That is how much? 625. Let me just solve this part also. 625 into 5 is how much? It will be, let's say 25, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 5. Okay, so 3125 is the required answer. I hope you got it. That's how speed, that is the speed that you need. Do it in a very fast manner. That's how you can actually reduces your time while sitting in the examination hall. If you have 3 hours of time and if your speed is continuously at like a 200 km/h speed with perfect accuracy, then you can reduce your timing and you can allow yourself to actually revise the thing twice, right? So for that manner you need a lot of practice to increase the speed along with the accuracy. All right, moving on to our next question, that is question number 3. All right, so let's just solve the next question, that is question number 3. Evaluate the following: 7 by 3 whole to the power minus 3, 9 by 7 whole to the power minus 2, and 3 by 7. All right, so let's just solve this part. 7 by 3 raised to the power how much? Minus 3. So what we have to do, just make it positive. So 3 by 7 will be there and it will be automatically a positive 1. Moving on, 7 by 9 is there, so I can write, sorry, 9 by 7 is there, so I can write 7 by 9. That is the reciprocal of 9 by 7, so raised to the power 2, and 3 by 7 as it is. Okay, move on. So now if you just observe it carefully, that these two quantities are having the same base, that is 3 by 7 and 3 by 7. All right, so the exponent is 3 and here the exponent is 1, because if nothing is there then it will be 1. So the power gets added up. So 3 by 7, 3 plus 1 into 7 by 9, 2. Okay, so it is nothing but 3 by 7, how much it is? That is 4, and then into 7 square by 9 square. So 3 to the power 4 by 7 to the power 4 into 7 square by, now 9 can be written as 3 into 3, right? Do you have any problem? I hope you have not faced any problem up to this step. Moving around, I can write over here. All right, you can continue from this step only, no need to go through this one. So 3 to the power 4 into 7 square by, and it will be 7 to the power 4, and 3 square into 3 square. All right, so what is this? That is 3 to the power 4 into 7 square by 7 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4, because power gets added up with each other. So if you just compare it, the denominator and numerator having the same element, cancel out. After that, so now in this case the denominator and the numerator are having the same base, that is 7 square and 7 to the power 4. So if the base is same, then the power will be subtracted, because it is coming under division. So 2 minus 4, which is 7 to the power minus 2, and it is nothing but 1 by 7 square. The answer is 1 by 49. That's how simple it is. I hope you got it, how to solve this question, and likewise you can solve question number 1 and question number 2. So that's all for this exercise. That is question number 3. Up to question number 3 I have done. All right, let us do some more questions. All right, to make that video much more longer, I have to do question number 4, and let's say up to question number 5 I will do. All right, for this part 1, and later on I will do that second part, which will start from question number 6. So let's just move around to solve the question number 4, and let's see how it goes. Alright, so I have togetherly written this question number 4 and question number 5. So let's just do one by one. Question number 4.1, that is 9 by 10 whole to the power minus 4 divided by 9 by 10 whole to the power minus 6. So the condition looks like 9 by 10 by 9 by 10, the power is minus 4 and minus 6. So if the base is same, the power will be subtracted. So 9 by 10 whole to the power minus 4 minus of minus 6. Alright, so it will be 9 by 10 minus 4. Why minus of minus 6? Because power gets subtracted with the another power, or you can say the exponent will be subtracted with the exponent, right? The exponent is minus 6, so I have written this, and because of this subtraction I have to put this sign, that is minus. So minus of minus, it will be plus, and it is nothing but 9 by 10 square, and 9 by 10 square is 81 by 100. That's it, simple. Move around to our last question of today's session, that is evaluate the following. Question number 5, 3 by 2 whole to the power minus 2 whole to the power 2. So if this type of situations are happening, then we have to do the multiplication of the exponents. So that is minus 2 into 2, which will be 3 by 2 minus 4, right? So 3 by 2 minus 4 is what? 2 by 3 to the power 4. What have I done? That is the reciprocal part, simple and easy. So 2 to the power 4 is how much? That is 16, and 3 to the power 4 is how much? That is 81. Done. Question number 5 up to done. Moving on, I will do the rest of the sums in our next session, that is coming on the next day, that is part 2. Up to this, if you are still facing any doubt, make sure you do tell me, and that's about it. I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you.